Do you want to know how to remove bad reviews and get more positive ones? In this video, I'll show you the most effective way to do it. Hi, my name is Curtis Boyd, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the best way that you can manage your online reputation. It's no secret that everyone has something negative or good they want hidden from people who are looking at their profile. Reputation management is an important aspect of your digital marketing strategy. When you have a great reputation, consumers are more likely to purchase from you and recommend your business to others. Reputation management has been around for a long time, but its best practices are not as widely known. The recent changes in the way people search for information have changed the strategies of many businesses and individuals when it comes to reputation management. This video will cover current trends you should be aware of if you want to avoid making mistakes that could hurt your business. Online reputation management is a process that enables you to sustain and grow your online presence. To be successful, it must start with monitoring what people are saying about you on the internet. When negative reviews or posts appear, handling them promptly can prevent them from going viral and affecting your business's public image. There are several approaches for dealing with bad press, including responding to negative comments when they arise, posting positive reviews of your brand on other websites, reputation marketing, boosting search engine rankings of good content that already exists about you online, SEO, and creating more interesting content yourself in order to attract customers through social media channels such as Facebook and Twitter. Bad reviews can be devastating to your business and image. They can even lead to shutting down a company because nobody wants to work with you after reading what people write about the product or service they bought from you. But now there's a new solution called Objection.co. That will help you remove illegitimate reviews from your profile. Objection.co is a service that will help your business maintain its online reputation. Visit Objection.co now to learn more.